Sentences, Clauses and Phrases, Part 4. In this module, we will learn about conditional sentences in detail. By definition, a sentence that is made to show that main clause depends on a condition, that is, the idea shown in the main clause is fulfilled on the condition that idea shown in the dependent clause is fulfilled, is called conditional sentence. The dependent clause in the sentence is called as the if clause. We can understand this by an example. If the boy had not stopped the bike, I could have got hurt. The sentence can be broken up into two clauses as follows. If the boy had not stopped the bike, if clause. I could have got hurt, main clause. Here, the action stated in the main clause, boy not getting hurt, can be fulfilled only on the condition that the idea stated in the if clause, the boy stops the bike on time, is fulfilled. That someone could escape getting hurt only if the boy stopped the bike on time. Hence, this is a conditional sentence. In this module, we will learn about types of conditional sentences. Zero conditional sentence. By definition, a sentence that consists of two clauses, an if clause and a main clause, is called zero conditional sentence. So, sentences having two clauses, if clause and main clause, is called zero conditional sentence. The meaning of most of the zero conditional sentence will mean same if the word when is used in place of if. Zero conditional sentence is used for telling general truths, facts related to science, and things that generally happen under certain conditions. If you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it changes into steam. In the sentence, a general fact about science is being told, and it contains a if clause and a main clause. It is important to note that here, in case of if, when is used and the meaning of the sentence will be same. Let us now see next type of conditional sentence. First conditional sentence. By definition, a sentence that is used for indicating something that may happen in the present or in the future is called first conditional sentence. So, sentence that indicates things that are happening in the present or things that will happen in future is called first conditional sentence. If you talk to my brother, he will tell you exactly where the jewels are hidden. Here, my brother knows where the jewels are hidden, and if you talk to him, he will tell you about the jewels. So this sentence is a first conditional sentence as it is indicating that something can happen in the present if something is done. Let us now see next type of conditional sentence. Second conditional sentence. By definition, sentence that is used for indicating unreal situations in the present or in the future is called second conditional sentence. So a sentence that is used for indicating the unreal things that have not been happening in the present, nor will they happen in future, is called second conditional sentence. Generally, second conditional sentence is used to express a wish. If I were you, I would approach this issue in a different way. Here, a wish is expressed as, I wish I could be you. I could have approached this issue in a different way. So this is a second conditional sentence. Let us now see next type of conditional sentence. Third conditional sentence. By definition, a sentence that is used for indicating about things which did not happen in the past is called third conditional sentence. So, sentence that indicates things that did not occur in the past is called third conditional sentence. If he had been more observant, he would have solved the case. Here, somebody had not been observant in the past, hence the event of being observant has not happened in the past. Here, this is a third conditional sentence.